Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining. My name is Jenna Burley, and I'm a Senior Customer Success Coach here at Bright MLS. And today I want to show you how to add layers to your map when you're looking for a particular school district for your clients. So we're just going to begin really quickly with a search. I'll go to residential sale. And one thing I like to mention is you ought to really take into consideration the area that you're looking in. For instance, if you're looking for a school district within a more rural area, there are strict guidelines and boundaries for those school districts. So, for instance, if I look for Chester County, and I'm just going to come down here and maybe add a little bit more information. And again, add in any information that you'd like to add to really narrow down your search. And I'm going to head over to my map. So right away, I see all of these listings that meet the criteria in my search. I can then come up to my layer drop-down option and click on elementary schools. You'll also see here a few more options for open high schools, open middle schools, and open elementary schools. And I will get to those in a moment. But as soon as I click on elementary schools, now you see all these great red lines with those elementary school boundaries. So if I just want to go ahead and maybe hone in, I can take a look at this property here in Downingtown and know that my client wants a home in that Downingtown school district. So again, with urban areas, you're going to get these red lines with the school district boundaries. But if I am searching for a home in a more urban area, the rules aren't necessarily the same. You may be in an urban area where your child is able to test in maybe to a magnet school, and there really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter where you live in a comparison to where you want your child to go to school. So let me just go ahead and clear this criteria and add another. So if I'm looking at Baltimore County, and it's always best to add a postal city as well, just to really narrow it down in those urban areas. And maybe I'll just go ahead and add a bit more criteria. So you can see I have 41 matches. And now when I go to my map, I want to choose the layer for open elementary schools. What this means is that your client does not have to live in the neighborhood that the school is in or in that school district boundary. So if I click here, now we have all of these green lines, letting me know that no matter where I choose to live, I can probably get my child into any of these different school districts. So if I wanted to go here and look at this house, the school district is Baltimore County City Public Schools. But I could live way over here in Fort Garrison Elementary. So I hope this helps. I hope this helps explain the difference between the elementary school boundaries and the open elementary school boundaries. Just keep in mind that you do want to make sure you're adding a bit of criteria into the criteria list without going directly to the map, and that you have some knowledge of the school districts in your area. Make sure that you're having a conversation with your client, that they're doing their own research as well. I know a lot of us know that those school district boundaries can change at any time, at any year. Your neighbor across the street may have children going to a different elementary school than your child. So again, please have those conversations with your client. And then, of course, always feel free to map out those different school districts here in the map. Thank you all for joining. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe, everyone.